Tech tip of the week, Windows Movie Maker, Part 1. Now next week we'll be going over Windows Movie Maker Part 2. So make sure to look for next week's tech tip to conclude the Windows Movie Maker. Now before we even start, your students or yourself need to have the pictures, the video, or the sound you want to use in your movie already found or created. Now after you have created your movie, your video, or your sound, you can go to Start, Programs, and find Windows Movie Maker. Once again, I went to Start, Programs, and Windows Movie Maker. Now, when you're within Movie Maker, your collections of pictures will be up, or video will be in this center area. To the right is a viewer that will show you what you've done already. To the left are tasks that you might need to do. And on the bottom is your storyboard or timeline view. Currently, we are in the storyboard view, which makes it easy to add pictures, transitions, or effects to your movie. If I want to add video, audio, or change the picture time, how long you see a certain picture, you need to click on the Show Timeline view. And now you can see the storyboard view is no longer there with the individual icons. You now have a timeline view. And if I want to go back, I can click on Show Storyboard and see my storyboard view. Now the first step we're going to do is we need to import our pictures, audio, and video into our collections up here so we can create our movie. To do so, I go under my movie tasks bar right here, and if for some reason you accidentally hit close and you don't see it anymore, you can click on the tasks icon on the toolbar and it will reappear. So I'm going to import some pictures. I'm going to find where I placed my pictures. If you need to go to the U drive, you can go to the U drive. See my pictures. I'm going to hold the Shift key down, click on the last one to import all my pictures, and click Import. And now you can see I have my new pictures that my students created, along with the pictures I had added before. Now to get these pictures on my timeline, I am literally going to click on one picture, hold, and drag it down to my storyboard. And I'm going to do that with all my pictures I want to put in to my movie. And it's okay, if you miss a picture, you can always go back later and add it. Now let's say I added in the wrong order. I can click and hold on a picture and not let go, and then drag it to where it's supposed to go. So I can move my pictures around by clicking and dragging if I need to. So it's okay if you add them in the wrong order. Let's say I accidentally added two of the same picture. I can click on one, right click on it, and hit delete. So now I've added my pictures to my storyboard. Next week, I will go over how to add effects, transitions, titles, and how to save it as a movie.